Bajaj crochet amigurumi part 1. Materials: 1 hook size 3, 2 dacron, 3 hard plastic, 4 vecro, 5 cotton yarn. Okay, now we will make bottom part. The first row we make 21 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 19 20 21 2 make single crochet every stitches. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Continue make single crochet until the last loop. Row 3 to 34. We make chain 1, turn. We will make single crochet again, single crochet until the last loop. We will have 34 single crochet for total. Remember, until make single crochet in the last loop, make chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet again. Row 2 to 34, make same step, single crochet every stitches, chain 1, turn your work. Row 14. Remember, make single crochet 20 times. Make chain 1, turn your work. Follow this pattern until row 34. Finish for row 34 and next make chains and we will make single crochet 33 single crochet 30 times, single crochet 20 times and single crochet 33 times. Remember, in here, here and here single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, and here we make 20 single crochet in the first loop. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and make 33 in here. Remember, in the same loop, this the first single crochet. Follow until you have single crochet 33 times. Make 2 for upper side and underside. Okay, when you finish for make 2, you should use foam heart and glue, then use wire. We will crochet with wire. One, fill wire, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And make 33 single crochet, 20 single crochet, 33 single crochet. Remember, you must crochet with wire. Okay, now we will make full row 1. We make 8 magic ring, and row 2 we make a single crochet, eight times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will repeat single crochet 8 times until row 10. Now row 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Replay again until row 10. And fill the crown. Fill the crown just 5 rounds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 until here. Fill the crown. After fill the crown, we will fill wire. Remember, make shape like it. Double wire and fill. And we will continue again. Make single crochet 8 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Replay again until row 19 for upper pole. Don't forget for fill dacron bit by bit every 4 or 5 round. Okay, I finish until row 19 and fill dacron. And show. Make 3 for upper side, front upper side, back upper side, and middle upper side. Left and right upper pole, make 2. Row 1, make magic ring, 8 single crochet. Row 2 to row 33, make single crochet every stitches. Front, back, middle, bottom, side pole, make 2 each. Row 1, we just make magic ring, 8. Row 2 to row 30, make single crochet every stitches. Okay, we will make a next part, back side. The first we make 35 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. Go to make single crochet every stitches, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Continue make single crochet until the last loop. Row 3 to 15, we make chain 1, turn, we will make single crochet again, single crochet until the last loop. We will have 34 single crochet for total. Remember, until make single crochet in the last loop, make chain 1, turn your work, and make single crochet again. Row 2 to 15, make same step. I finish row 15, and then we will make a single crochet round. In here we will make 13 single crochet. In here we will make 34 single crochet, and in here make single crochet 13 2. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In the same stitch we will make, in here we will make 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and make a single crochet again in here. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Slip stitch in here. Okay, make 2, and then we will crochet together and fill wire and form heart. We will crochet every side. Don't forget, take wire when we crochet for back side. Please look how I crochet to back sides with wire. We will have 34 single crochet. In this size, we will make single crochet 13 times. And this side Make 34 single crochet again. Remember, take wire. Before crochet all, fill heart form. Bend the wire. And make single crochet 13 times again. I finished 4 crochet every side. Because we use wire, so we can bend this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 9 stitch, we can bend it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend this. So we have corner. Do once again for right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend in here. Now we have 2 corners. We will begin sew bottom side and back side. We must sew pole, back pole, the first. When you sew back side, remember, take wire in the first, every corner, and the last sew.